Hello, I hope you are doing fine. So I want to teach you how you can trade with Deriv. I recently found a simple strategy that can work for most of the people. So if you have an account already, you just need to open deriv.com and then you press here. You just press here where you see Traders Hub, and then you will be redirected to this page. Then just choose this one, this option. I have a video which I explain using this Deriv bot. So if you are interested, just look on this channel and you will find it. For now, let's proceed to this one. I am on my demo account, as you can see here, and for those who are new on this trading thing using Deriv, then I have a video for beginners where I explain using accumulators to trade. So trading on Deriv, mostly we will be trading on using these synthetics. This one, these are machine generated markets. As you can see here, the real markets are closed as per now because we are on a weekend. So I will be trading on these markets, volatility 100, volatility ones, and then I will choose higher. I will be trading higher and lower. As you can see, I just open here, so I choose the market that the options I will be trading. As you can see, we have here higher and lower, so I will choose that one. And on the settings, you can see the settings that I have set. You can decide to choose ticks. What this means is, if you have chosen 5 ticks here, if you make an entry here, let's say you make a higher entry, and then a higher means that the market will be higher within that 5 ticks. The market will be higher, the entry point, and the entry point is this line. As you can see, we have this line, dotted line. That is the entry, your entry. So we have lower. If I decided to enter this market, and you see we have a less profit, let me see here. I can expand the market so that I have a good view, you see, and then I press lower, and then I wait for 5 ticks. You can see, obviously you will end up winning that trade because mostly it does not cross that point, as you can see. But this market might be risky, so you need to be extra sure before going this one, the lower one, or you may decide to change this thing. If the market is trading upside, then you may decide to bring it down. Let's see, I can see the profit has increased a lot because they are extra sure. Let's see, you see, when I bring this one down, the more I bring it down, the more the profit increases, especially this one. If I press the lower prediction, I mean that within these 5 ticks, this market cross my entry point, which is this line. See, but in most cases it does not happen. If you have a very fast movie, then you may proceed predict that way. You see, it will oppose you. That is a bit risky. So if the market is trending upwards, I move this blue line and then I press there, and then we wait to see if the market will cross there. In most cases it does not. That is why I prefer minutes. You can see minutes, you have a very high chance of hitting that point, and you will have an advantage of cashing out earlier. That is why time is more important. So within 3 minutes, place an order, and then you wait. You can see we can sell that one. We sold that one. That is how you can trade using higher and lower. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. I will be happy to help you out. And on the end time, you see, you can just set the end that your trade will be closed. The more time it takes to close your trade, the less the profit. So the less the time your trade takes to be closed, the more you have your profit. And then you can trade also the real market. Today they are closed, and the disadvantage of these real markets is that they move so slow. You'll make little profits. For those who want to make a lot of money, you can see this market moved a lot from here to here. I will have enlarged it a little bit and then placed at this point, and I would have a profit of, let's reduce this one so that we can see. I would have, let's see, it moved within a minute, 600 profit. If you are careful, especially when the market is moving so fast, then you will make a lot of money here. So that is it all for today. If you don't have an account, then check the description below. I have a video that explains all steps. And for beginners, also check on my channel. I have a video for beginners. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.